And welcome back to Love Your Food. This week we have a simple classic recipe for you. This is a spinach salad with a warm bacon dressing. Now before we get started on that, I'd like to remind everyone that we have an affiliate link with Chef's Temp, and if you need a kitchen thermometer or meat probe, please check out the link in the description below and use code LOVEYOURFOOD on checkout for 15% off your order. We also have a Patreon if you'd like to support us there. I'll put a link for that as well. And here's our ingredients. We've got some fresh baby spinach, some bacon, some mushrooms, some eggs that we're going to hard boil, some shallot, some apple cider vinegar, some Dijon mustard, and some brown sugar. Now the first thing we're going to do is get our bacon going. Now make sure that you get some bacon with a decent amount of fat because we're going to be using the bacon fat that renders from that to make our dressing. Now while the bacon is cooking, you can do a lot of your other mise en place. So we are going to cut up our shallot first, and we want it cut pretty finely. So we're going to cut this basically a brunoise, so really, really fine dice. And that's going to end up like that. Now we're going to cook this before it goes. This is going to go into the bacon grease to cook for a little while before it goes in the dressing. Meanwhile, we're going to start our dressing portion. So in goes the brown sugar and the Dijon mustard. And you can use a little bit of your apple cider vinegar to rinse the rest of that out of the bowl. Now all of the amounts are going to be in the description below. And make sure you do a scrape. You want to make sure you get all of your ingredients out. And then we're just going to whisk those together. If you, like us, have a little bit of clumpy brown sugar, don't worry, it's all going to dissolve into the dressing. So just give that a little whisk and let that sit. It's going to sit for a little while we do other things as well. So here's our bacon. You can see it's just about ready. You don't want it to be burnt, but it's nice for it to be crispy. And you can see it's rendered out quite a lot of fat there. So we're going to take the bacon out of the pan. Try and squeeze as much bacon fat out of there as we can. And then we're going to very delicately measure some tablespoons of that into another pan. And we're looking for as close to 3 tablespoons as we can get. If you're a little shy, or even a little bit more, that's fine. But you don't want to throw away the bacon fat, that's for sure. So in goes the shallots into the bacon fat. Now these are just going to wilt in there for a little while. We just want these cooked until they're kind of translucent and they're, a little bit soft. While you're doing all this, of course, you do also want to hard boil your eggs. And then we're also going to chop up our mushrooms. We're going to cut those in half and then slice them. So once the shallots have brown, you don't even want them to brown. You just want them to wilt. You just want them translucent. We're going to add the bacon fat with the shallots into our dressing. And then we're going to whisk that together. And this is going to come together. It's going to sort of emulsify a little bit together with the mustard in there and the vinegar. And that's going to make the basis of our dressing. Now, if you really want to be fancy about it, you can actually just stream in the bacon fat slowly and whisk it in, and it comes a little bit thicker, but you don't really need to do that. So this is fine, the way we've done it here. And it's going to wilt your spinach just a little because it is still warm. We're going to add in our mushrooms. And you want to give everything a good mix here. You want to make sure that everything's nicely coated with that delicious dressing. It's got a lot of flavor to it. It's got the bacon in there. It's got the shallots that are wilted. It's really, it's got a lot going for it. Then we're going to chop our bacon and we're going to add that on top. And we're going to stir those in as well. Now's a great time if you want to adjust your seasoning. This typically doesn't need any extra salt because you've got the bacon in there, which is quite salt, but a little bit of black pepper doesn't go amiss here. We're just going to add in a little bit of celery salt for a little extra flavor. And I'll put a link up here. I'll put a card for for our recipe for your own homemade celery salt. And then you just want to stir it all together, make sure everything's well combined, make sure your little goodies are well distributed throughout your salad. And from there, it's just placing it on plates or bowls, and this is ready to go. Once you've got that on your plate. And the last thing we're going to do is put our hard-boiled eggs on top. Now, you can cook your eggs however you prefer. Ours were just about perfectly hard-boiled. And if you want them to be a little jammier or even a little bit more done, you can cook your eggs however you prefer. This is how we did ours. We're just going to put those through the egg slicer and put them on top. They make a really nice visual impact on the top. And that's it. That's the whole thing. Super, super simple. This was a classic. I don't know, you couldn't really go to a restaurant in the 90s when these really came back without finding a restaurant that had the spinach salad with a warm bacon dressing. So we hope you'll give this one a try. It really is delicious. If you like this recipe, please do like and subscribe. And if you have any recipes you'd like to see Chef Caleb try on the channel, please let us know in the comments below. We'd like to thank our patrons over on Patreon. I'll put a link for that in the description below as well. And remember to love your food.